Welcome to the English Chill channel.
We're so glad you're here. Get ready to relax and learn.
The living room. You look worried, Liam. What's wrong?
It's this list, Emma. My Christmas shopping list. I'm stuck.
Stuck? Why? Shopping is fun.
It is not fun. It is stressful. I don't know what to buy.
Who is on the list?
My whole family. I am shopping for my sister, Sarah, but also for her husband.
Ah, your brother-in-law.
My brother-in-law? What does that mean?
Brother-in-law is the word for your sister's husband. It's family, but by marriage.
Brother-in-law. That is a very long word.
It is. Is your brother-in-law difficult to buy for?
Yes, very difficult. He likes expensive things. I don't know what to buy him.
I have an idea. Let's go.
Go? Go where?
Let's go shopping. We can find a gift for your brother-in-law right now. We can practice the words while we shop.
Okay. I trust you. Let's go.
The department store. Okay, we are in the store. We need one gift for your brother-in-law.
Yes, my brother-in-law. This store is very big. I am nervous.
Don't be nervous. What are his hobbies? What does he like?
I don't know. He wears clothes? What about socks?
Socks? Liam, no. That is a boring gift.
You are right. He likes expensive things. Look, over there.
What?
A watch. He would love a new watch.
That is a good idea. Let's look.
This one is nice. How much is it? Oh, no.
What is it?
That is over budget.
Over budget?
Yes, it means too expensive. My budget is the money I planned to spend. That watch is way over budget.
Okay, no watch. Let's think. What does he do with your sister?
They like cooking. My sister and my brother-in-law cook together.
Okay, now we have an idea. Let's go to the kitchen section.
What about a knife?
Maybe. What about this cheese board?
A cheese board? Ah, this is nice. For cheese and crackers.
And it is not over budget.
This is perfect. He will love this. Okay. Brother-in-law, done. That was easy.
The toy store.
Okay, I feel good. One gift, done. Let's go home.
Wait, is that everyone?
Oh, wait. I forgot someone.
Who?
My sister's son.
Ah, your nephew.
Nephew? What is a nephew?
Your sister's son is your nephew. It's a special word for him.
Nephew. Okay. He is 4 years old. He loves trains.
A train. That is a great gift. I know a toy store near here.
Okay, let's go.
This is the place. Wow, there are a lot of toys.
Look! The train section. Emma, look! This one. The red train. It's perfect. It has a bridge.
It's beautiful. Let's find an employee. Excuse me, can we buy this red train?
What did she say?
Ugh, Liam. That was the display model. The train is out of stock.
Out of stock? What does that mean?
It means there are no more. They sold all of them. It's gone.
Gone? Oh no. This is a disaster. He wanted the red train.
Calm down. It is not a disaster. Look, what about this blue one?
It's smaller. It doesn't have a bridge.
True, but it's in stock.
In stock? You mean the opposite of out of stock?
Exactly. In stock means they have it. We can buy it right now. And look,
What?
it's on sale.
On sale? You mean a reduced price?
Yes, it's cheaper. The red train was over budget. The blue train is on sale.
Cheaper is good, and blue is his favorite color. Okay, the blue train. My nephew will be happy.
See? Problem solved. The bookstore.
Okay, 2 gifts. I am finished. My parents are easy. I can buy them books.
Parents?
You taught me that. My mother and father. My parents. Okay, let's buy the books and go.
Wait, Liam. I looked at your list in the living room. You forgot 2 more people.
What? Who? I bought a gift for my brother-in-law. I bought a gift for my nephew.
What about your mother's sister?
Oh no, I forgot my aunt.
Your aunt. And her children?
My cousins, Tim and Mia. I forgot them. Emma, I'm too tired. I can't shop anymore.
Don't panic. We are in the perfect place.
The bookstore? What do I buy my cousins?
They are teenagers, right?
Yes, 15 and 17. I have no idea what they like.
Teenagers are difficult, so we get them gift cards.
Gift cards?
Yes, a card with money on it from this bookstore. They can choose their own presents.
Emma, that is genius. It's the perfect gift. Okay, 3 gift cards. 1 for my aunt, 2 for my cousins.
Now I am finished.
The coffee shop. See? Not so stressful. The list is finished.
I am exhausted, but I feel good. We bought 4 gifts? 5 gifts? My brain is tired.
You bought gifts and you learned new words.
Yes. Let's review. I need to remember these.
Okay. Who was the first gift for?
My sister's husband. He is my brother-in-law.
Perfect. Who was the second gift for?
My sister's son. He is my nephew.
Yes. And if he was a girl?
She would be my niece. But I don't have a niece.
Not yet. Who were the last gifts for?
My mother's sister. She is my aunt.
And her children?
They are my cousins.
Exactly. Brother-in-law, nephew, aunt, cousins. You can talk about your family.
Wow, I can. I feel much better. Thank you, Emma.
You see, you are ready for Christmas. Now, we want to hear from you.
Yes, let us know in the comments. Who are you buying Christmas gifts for?
Do you have a brother-in-law or a nephew?
Do you have many cousins? Tell us in the comments.
And thank you for shopping with us. See you next time on English Chill.